Welcome to Cody the Car Guy. So we've got an 06 Audi S4 here, and it's low on Freon. So underneath your cowling right here is your actual low pressure port. High pressure port is sitting right here. You're not going to be using this one to fill if you're doing it yourself. If you're doing a machine, that's a different story. We are going to be using a machine on this one. To get to your low pressure port, just pull trim right here, weather stripping out, just get it out of the way. You can actually take something as simple as that, stick it right there, and remove the cap. Alright, this is the low pressure port you're going to be using. Your Freon is 1.1 pounds of R134A. If you just change out your compressor, your condenser, it is 4.4 ounces of PAG 46. Like I said, you don't have to remove your trim. So anyways, I hope that helps you guys on your capacities on your Audi S4s. Awesome cars, by the way. Anyways, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next AC capacity video.